welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Mariel. Welcome to my channel. So it's been a while since I've made a tutorial like this. I'm actually into natural makeup these days, but I decided to glam myself up and I really like how it turned out. It is a very rosy, warm toned look. You could use this on any occasions like wedding, birthdays, or even in an everyday basis if you're extra like me. But before we get onto this video, I just want to give a quick shout out to Spy Glamour Official, Spy Glamour PH, and Marche Sacs for sending me these amazing lashes. If you don't know Spy Glamour lashes, they are mink fur lashes. They're very comfortable, they're very natural looking. They sent me 3 pairs of lashes and all of them are so pretty and so flattering in the eyes. I'm currently wearing Lexi right now, which you'll see in the tutorial later on. So if you want to get yours and you're from Saudi Arabia, you could purchase them on Marche Sacs. And if you're from the Philippines, you could purchase them on Spy Glamour PH. And if you're not from the Philippines nor Saudi Arabia, you could purchase them on Spy Glamour Official. I'm gonna leave all their links down below if you're interested in getting one. So without further ado, let's get started.